today's video is going to be a how-to video on how to adjust the headlights on any 2024 Toyota Tacoma. So we'll start off with some of the tools that you'll need. Oh wait, you actually don't need any tools. That's the thing that I absolutely love about this truck. It's super easy to adjust the headlights. You don't need any tools. You don't even need to pop the hood open on this Tacoma to change the headlights. So come on with me, let's go, and I'll show you how to easily adjust the headlights. If you have cars flicking their high beams at you, it's probably messed up from the factory or someone that test drove it before you bought it. Let's get that fixed for you so you're not blinding people and they're not blinding you when they're trying to flash their headlights to let you know that you're blinding them. So let's go ahead and jump into it, and I'll show you in less than 5 seconds how to easily adjust your headlights on the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. So this right here is how you adjust the headlights. 0 is where they are from the factory. That would be the highest that they can go. So if you are towing stuff, which is going to make the front end of your car go up and your high beams or your lights seem a lot higher, what you can do is just scroll this down. Essentially, it's the highest number. So this is the lowest. When it's on 5, it's the lowest that your headlights can be. And on 0, it's the highest that your headlights can be. So if you're towing something, you definitely want to pick a higher number. But if you're just driving and you're not pulling anything, 0, it could be kind of high. I usually keep mine at about half, or 1, I think would be fine. If you're getting a lot of people flashing their headlights at you, definitely, I would say put this number a little bit higher. So that's pretty much how you adjust the headlights, and I'll show you how it actually looks at nighttime. It is now dark outside, the lights are on, and what I'll go ahead and do is, right now this is at 0, so this is as high as it goes as far as the beam. So I'll go ahead and move this down, and we'll be able to see the actual headlights go down. So you can see it is lowering. That is all the way at a 5. That's raising it. So that's back at 0 as high as it goes, and putting it back to 5, which will lower it. You can see that it lowers that. So 5 has it as low as possible, whereas 0 has it as high as possible. I don't think Toyota could have made that any easier, even if they tried. So that's it. It's a short video today. That's all I got for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.